Here we will find the unknown interior angles of a triangle. We know the sum of three interior angle of any triangle is 180 degree. So let us use this information to calculate these unknown angles. So in the first example, this angle is given 90 degree, that is right angle. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. Now this angle is 45 degree. So we need to find this angle. So we know the three angles, sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So among them it is 90 degree. So sum of these two will be the rest of the 90 degree, because 90 degree plus 90 degree will be 180 degree. So 45 plus A is 90 degree. A plus 45 degree is 90 degree. So A will be, if we take this 45 in this side, it will be minus. So A will be also 45 degree. So this angle is also 45 degree. So this A, this angle and these angles are equal. So their corresponding sides length will also be equal. So this is a right angle triangle and two arms are equal. So it will be a isosceles right angled triangle. Let us do this second example. Here A 35 and 125. Since the sum of these three angle will be 180, we can write angle A plus 35 degree plus 125 degree will be 180 degree. So now sum of these two, 35 and 125 will be 160. So if we take this 160 on the other hand side, then A will be 180 degree minus 160 degree, which is 20 degree. That means this angle is 20 degree. So here in this triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degree, that is obtuse. So this is an obtuse angle triangle and three angles are different. That means these three arms length are also different. So this is a scalene obtuse angled triangle. That is, all three arms are different, so scalene, and one of the angle is greater than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle. So this triangle is an scalene obtuse angled triangle. Another one here. Here this angle is given 40, this angle is A, and these two arms are given equal. So now if these arms are equal, then their corresponding angle, that is this arm's corresponding angle is this and this arm's corresponding angle is this, they are equal. So this angle is also A. These two angles are equal. Since this one is A, this one is also A. Now the sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. That means A plus A, twice A plus 40 degree, that is twice A plus 40 degree will be 180 degree. If we take this 40 in this side, it will be minus 40, that means 140 degree. So twice A equals 140 degree. So A will be 70 degree. So each of this angle is 70 degree. 70 degree, 70 degree. Here all three angles are acute angle. So this triangle is a acute angle triangle, and where two arms and two angles are equal, so it is a isosceles acute angled triangle. Let us see this one. Here none of these angles are given. One is x, one is twice x, one is 3x, and we know the sum of three angle will be 180. So x plus twice x plus 3x, sum of this three angle will be 180 degree. So that means 3 and 5, 6x equals 180 degree. Therefore x will be 180 division 6, that is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Twice x, that means this is 60 degree. and 3x, 3 times 30 is 90, although it's not looking like, but it is 90 degree. So 3 times x is 90 degree. So this angle is 30, this angle is 60, x twice x, 2 times 30 is 60, and this is 3x, so 3 times 30 is 90 degree. So here this is a right angle, so this triangle is a right angle triangle, and all other two angles are separate, so these three arms are different. So it will be a scalene right angled triangle.